In this episode, we're talking about the biggest problem with gospel musicians, and it comes down to this word, and it starts with the letter P. So if you're ready to find out what that word is, follow me in this video. The letter P stands for a lot of things in the alphabet: precision, privacy, but also the word practice. And the reason why the word practice is one of the biggest words in the gospel musician community is because we don't talk about practice a lot, especially when it comes to practicing slowly. There has been a misconception for many years that if you practice slow, you're considered a beginner or you're just learning a song. Well, I'm here to tell you that many professionals, they actually still do practice, and they practice slow or at a comfortable speed that is good for their skill level. Practicing slow, it really allows you to improve your accuracy, your precision when you're hitting notes. It also allows you to improve your ear because you're trying to avoid making the same mistakes over and over and over and over again. Now, when you practice, it usually becomes muscle memory, which is a key for a lot of piano players, guitar players, bass players, drummers. It becomes muscle memory. Now, a great musician once said that if you practice slowly, you will forget things slowly. However, if you practice quickly and you practice fast, you will forget things immediately. What is that saying to you as a gospel musician? Well, if you practice slowly, you won't tend to forget those intricate details. It will take you longer to forget those things. But I want you to take away one thing from this video. And the one thing in this video is this: that the importance of practicing slowly will help you become a better musician in 2022, 2023, 2024, and beyond. Be proud of the fact that you can practice slowly. And a pro tip behind this is, if you're making mistakes, you're practicing too quickly. Take your time, be patient, enjoy and trust the process, because you as a musician will become better, stronger, and faster because you practice slowly. I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who wants to be encouraged as a musician and who needs to practice. And let me know in the comments below, how do you guys practice? How do you guys improve your practice? I want to hear from you guys. So again, my name is Jamie for 60 Second Chords, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.